So, can we dance?
Such a special night and special treat, and we're so happy that you're all here joining us. I can't, thank the Barnes Foundation enough for partnering with us in bringing this program to you. This presentation that we've called Sounds and Rhythms of Resistance is part of the Philadelphia International Festival of the Arts. One of the sponsors, the main sponsor for this event, has been Health Partners, and I just wanted to recognize them, thank them for their support.